Now the next lecture of discussion from the work study is detailed overview of method and time study. So in the previous lecture, we studied about the work study. So work study was divided into two parts, method and the time. Method means the function and time means the strategy that we are going to use to get the good output. Method was also the examining the financial capability. Now, method study. It is a systematic recording and critical examination of existing and proposed way of doing the work. It is recording, it is basically a systematic way of doing the work, and it is also examining the current system, and it is with the help of the current system we are able to find out what all we can do for our proposed system as a mean of developing and apply easier and more effective methods and reducing the cost of the proposed system. If we are doing a proper method study of the existing system and the critical examination, this will help us in reducing the time, method and the costs. Next is the objective of method study. Critical examination of the facts जो हमारे पास already available है. Develop best possible solution. Eliminate unnecessary operation. Add values and avoid delays and optimize the 3 M's. The method study procedure is as follows. It is select, we record, we examine the previous, we find out the ways to develop the new one, we define, we install and then we maintain. So the selection procedure is basically focusing on 3 aspects: economic, technical and human. Recording techniques are chart, diagram, which can be flow diagram, cycle graphs and etc. Next is critical examination, systematic and progressive series of questions with the purpose of defining true reasons. Based on the reason, improvement are found and adopted into a new methods called better methods. The use of questioning techniques helps in reducing the possibility of missing information which may be useful for the person who is designing that product. So we are always there to find the better solutions. So better methods are known as, and the questioning technique is the only way with which we can find out all the answers to what is exactly required. Critical examination includes systematic and progressive study of questions. Next is we are able to adopt a new method which is a better method. Questioning technique is used, and in this we are making two set of questions, primary questions and secondary question. Primary questions should be answered and we should have the proper answer to our primary questions, and based on the primary question we are developing our secondary questions. So critical examination, this is the question definition. Primary question: what is achieved, why it is necessary, when is to be done, what are the advantages, what are the disadvantages, what was done before, what was done after. Whereas secondary question: what else we can do, what else can be done, what should do it, how should it do it. So these are the secondary questions are based on the primary questions. Development and selection of improved methods, because why it is needed, so that unnecessary operations are eliminated, combine operations and elements, change the sequence of operation, simplify the necessary operations. Next is steps in development and selection. It is evaluation, investigation and selection.